So I gotta ask for bacon and cheese on my croissant. They put egg on it. That's just like what they do. Is that what happens when you?
This happens when you go around here, down this way.
So down this way to the south side. So I haven't snuck food into a movie theater in a couple years. I'm excited. The plan is to stick 2 sodas, 2 drinks, and 6 snacks into my chest.
You could do it. You're big enough. Fucking bazookas.
If I had a lot of money, I would get a reduction and a breast lift. Is that what it's called? Breast lift? Boob job? Look at this guy. Oh wow, look at the mess I'm making. We're like foodies. I told Jerry he should have his own YouTube channel and like be a foodie, like a food god. Jonathan the food god, and he like tries different restaurants. We're like ghetto trash. We're like ghetto redneck trash. We're ghetto trash. That's what we are. Ghetto redneck fucks. I don't mind it. I never minded it. Okay, so Jerry's YouTube channel, he should be a food god, and like you just go to different restaurants, and then the restaurant will like wait for you to come. Like, well, not wait for you to come, but like say if you go to like pick up it and you're a food god, and then you post how your time was. You videotape what you talk about how good it was, and then you post it, and it's like free advertising. And you post it on your YouTube channel, like I'm a food god and I went to pick up it, and then you go to like another place, and then like people get used to you, and they'll be like, oh wow, I really got that food review. We should do that because we eat a lot. Sure. And then we could do another one like where we work out in sexy clothes, and I could wear my tail to the gym.
Don't be telling people about the fucking tail.
Hey. You need a YouTube channel for when we go out to eat.
You said that already.
When we go to the bar. Alright, when we go to your mom's house, that'd be the best.
You know what?
This is called a MukBang, you know?
I'm just gonna shoot him a message and say, yo, can you stop by?
I want to put the ketchup in the sandwich.
Remember? That was a good store.
Mr. Z's!
Yeah, I like
Oh my god, do you guys know Mr. Z's?
No, he doesn't.
If you're from the south side,
Then down here,
you'll know Mr. Z's.
the smoke shop is KFC.
And that used to be CVS next door. KFC. Oh yeah.
Yeah, down the corner.
The smoke shop used to be KFC. They smell like they sell the cheapest
Then there's
cartons.
the Chinese one that they cook the ants on them.
They do.
No, that one.
I heard meow.
Cats and dogs and rats.
Woof woof. I heard that when I was eating. Is that racist? I heard.
Really hard.
Wow. I'm gonna SUV, Jared. Let me get one. I want gang members that like I tell them what to do. Like I'm like, yo, niggas, y'all go do this shit, and then we make the money. That's drug dealing. I don't want to do that. Who is it? Oh, answer it. Tell her what she's on her phone.
What the hell is Tim Travel? I woke up this morning and he's texting me about, what do you think? What, did you tell him that we're fighting or something? We're not fighting. He thinks we're all, if me and you are fighting, then our friendship is over. And he's talking about, I need that car. Diane, I go up there every Saturday. As soon as I get my license, trust me, I'm going to get that car out of this van. ASAP. Well, whatever his problem is, just tell him the second I get my